Hello, this is Chris here. Today I'm going to discuss how to meditate and also the 7 benefits of meditation. So let's jump right on it. It physically changes the wiring of your brain. Literally. Studies have conducted that it actually changes the wiring of your hippocampus, which is the memory storage of your brain. So it's very effective on helping with traumas. It reduces bad feelings. So that's also another study that was conducted and proven that it could potentially make you feel better. Benefit number 3, so it actually helps depression. Studies were conducted in 2004 by doctors, and they said how meditation is actually more effective or as effective as the prescribed pills that they take. Benefit number 4, it increases your focus. So for those of you who have minor ADD to major chronic ADD, it actually improves focus a lot. Oh, and also it increases your attention span. Benefit number 5, it improves your memory. And I could tell you for sure that for me, it really improved my memory. It's an amazing thing. It actually grows the wiring in certain activities and memories during the day. Benefit number 6, it helps you stay mindful of your thoughts. So because you're mindful of your thoughts, it's easier for you to regulate and accept certain bad traumas and bad memories and have a different perspective on those traumas. So this really gives you the ability to heal all of your worries, fears, and bad memories. Benefit number 7, it helps you gain confidence. When your memory improves, when you have nothing to worry about, you have nothing to be distracted about, you have no insecurities to worry about, you have a different perspective on all those things, and that's why it improves your confidence. Okay, now I'm gonna talk to you about my personal benefits that I got from meditation. For one, I became a much happier person. I let go of all my traumas and now have a new perspective about them. Because when you meditate, the synapses that you go through correlated with your scar tissue and where the traumas lay in, that's the thing that changes in your brain. Your wires then runs very smoothly rather than having little miscommunication because of your resistance to the trauma. This really benefits in your whole life. This really regulates and benefits your mental balance. And these traumas would often stop you from achieving your goals. And with meditation, you really fix those traumas and your life goes way smoother in every aspect of life. Whether business, whether personal life, everything runs smoothly. You're like a river. Your whole life becomes a gentle river. I promise you that this is gonna greatly improve your life. So that's pretty much it about the benefits and personal benefits of meditation, but I'm going to give you a bonus point to meditation. This goes to those that think that meditation and yoga is against Jesus or any other God. So basically, I found out that in the Gospel of John, Jesus actually went to the desert and meditated himself. So that even inspires me more to continue this journey. Now, how you meditate? Pretty much, I do a very simple meditation. All I do is cross my legs, I close my eyes in the yoga posture, and you have to sit up for sure because you have to stay focused, and that's why you sit up with your eyes closed. And what will happen is that you will have thoughts running by you. Many of us will overthink because of the Western lifestyle, but not to worry, because there is a way. After a few times of meditation, you're going to start having an ability to accepting all the thoughts that run by you and releasing it and letting it just go by. So what your objective is, you have to let all the thoughts come to your head and just have the ability to let it go. Like pretend that you're a river, you're a channel of having all your thoughts, collecting them, and letting them go. So for me, after 4 or 5 times of doing this, I learned to empty my mind. This is the main objective you want to try for. You have to empty your mind, and then you will be in a certain altered state of consciousness. So that will help you heal most of the traumas in your life. You know, and also another objective is when a bad memory comes to you, you have to learn to accept it, have a different perspective on it, and let it go. This is going to take you a little time to master, maybe 4 to 7 times of meditation, 20 minutes each, every night or every morning, whichever you prefer. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like to watch my ayahuasca video, just click on this link. Namaste and peace.